So the first thing is what you have made today. Tell us.
Today, this city
Yeah.
is being polluted by a venom.
Okay.
So today, this pot
Yeah.
has to take this venom
Okay.
and it has to deposit it in the river.
Okay.
So it will also clean this area of the venom.
Okay.
And then it has to go back to where it started.
Very good. So this is the river, right? River and the forest also. Nice. Cool. So this is the venom. Very good. And the antidote, where is it? It's inside your bot.
Yes.
Okay. Nice. So please let us see how it's working. Okay, it's going. Oh, nice. Nice. Wonderful. It's in the river. It's going back to the city and slowly to very good. Thank you. Bye.